Wet dates versus fresh dates. Which one is better? Neither wet nor normal dates are universally better. They offer different benefits, with wet dates being more concentrated in energy, sugar, fiber, and minerals and are great for quick boost, and fresh dates having higher water content, fewer calories per bite, and a soft texture, making them more hydrating and less calorie dense. Your choice depends on your goals. Dry dates or wet dates for intense energy, nutrients, fresh dates for lighter snacking and hydration. Both excellent in moderation. Wet dates are higher in calories, sugar, fiber, iron, potassium, and magnesium due to water removal. It is excellent for quick energy, ideal for athletes. It has chewy texture with an intense caramel taste and a long shelf life. Fresh dates containing higher water content, making them less calorie dense per bite. It has softer, juicier texture and have shortened shelf life, often needing refrigeration. So, which one to choose? For quick energy and nutrients, choose dry dates or wet dates. For lower calorie snacking and hydration, always choose fresh dates. Dry dates are good for baking and recipes due to intense flavor and lower moisture. For general snacking, both are good. Adjust portion size based on calorie sugar goals. I hope you found this video useful. If you do, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe my channel.